Welcome back to a new gameplay video at Ambush Field. Since I can't snipe at night, I brought my nighttime loadout. But due to an unfortunate incident with my sniper rifle, I was forced to be a rifleman most of the day, which got me holding the line most of the time.
Are they already up here, guys?
Looks like they're already over here, huh?
Yeah.
You missed, bro. He's down. You're a medic? No, I don't have them. Anybody with a band, just keep yelling for one.
Green guy. One of them might. Hit! Move back!
Is he dead or what? Guess not. Now he is. We need a medic back here. They're in the trailer right here, guys. They're gonna flank the wood.
Reloading. Watch out, he's right there, trailer. Get out the way. No, you're gonna get hit. He's in the trailer. You just got hit?
The restaurant right here?
No, the trailer.
I see him down there.
In the window, trailer. He's in the trailer window. They're flanking the woods too.
Watch the restaurant. There's.
What the hell was that?
The guy behind me just fully autoed the windowsill next to me, scared the poop out of me.
They're still in that trailer down there at the bottom.
They're everywhere around us right now. One just shot there across. We're pushing down over the side. I don't know. We're surrounded, I believe, on the side. I'm just getting raped in the asshole. I'm worried about that coming out from the woods.
You guys see me jump through that fucking hallway and just start blasting out like on the pistol? On the pistol?
Watch out, don't peek out that window.
The people in there? Somebody was.
They're in the trailer right across from us.
Yeah, that was all. We were all blue.
That was close.
We need medic. We need medic. On this side, move. We need medic.
At this point, I realized I was surrounded. I could hear their footsteps and their bodies banging against the building I'm in. So I decided to back up in the closet and grab my pistol.
He's down.
Guys, when you're peeking this corner, just watch that window at Castle.
Does that count for us now?
This does. Frag out. I'll get behind him right here. Yep. All on the other side of the castle. Thank you. Right in front of the castle. Right up against the wall.
My selfie cam shut off for a little bit, so I had to fix it.
They're all in front of the castle, other side. I do. I'm gonna throw one on the front on the other side. I think they're inside the castle now. Be careful.
Is the medic over here? Okay, they're gonna push around the corner. Not quite here yet.
I'm not a medic.
Okay, this is the point where two guys decided to just run across in front of me and try to make it right across to the small shed. I missed the first guy by inches. The second guy wasn't so lucky.
Like that.
He's in there. Thing right next to us. Point blank in the neck, though, really?
I'm dead. Yeah, I'm gonna go.
Point blank in the neck.